Ka jingya kop kingling ka tam hari India ya ka balapan long hakawa Umtrew hari Boy district kabadang hap mahpok senong Umtham kadang ya chat hakabaya gane jingi lekai la sedang nadu henin kasngi kata ka khatlai tarik urisau arjar puar da ka jingwan ya simbenta jong kinong kingling bapher gibawan na keleng kiri jong ka prathai kuntup de na kiri Sepngi on penkot igane jing lekai ha ka khan ru tarik urisau arjar puar bat lese la shai kasngi kan long ga jing khon ka ba Itynnad bha namar kan de ka jing khon ka ba khaddu ban poisa ka jing kini ban ra e kanam ladu ki nongilam jongga Riboy Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society kabalong ga kanhun ka bapniat ye kane jing lekai kilong bag jing themu ka bahakmat e jongga ne jing penlong ye kane jing lekai penyamare ye kiling kalong kum sibenta ban kentiu ye ki kam jongo kai perthei namar lakot lawer ye kinong lekai na kelengkiri jong perthei bat balawan ye simbenta ru da kinong lekai ki balayo ye kalat ban ye simbenta ha ka jing lekai kingling jong ka Olympic nakaliang jong kita kibalawan bani simbenta hakane lempung kibalawan na kiwe giri jong perthai kilong baka wa Umtrew kai hap bha bat kane ka jingi lekai namar ka jinglong jong ki khap wa bat ka bada ikop ban penlong ye kane ka jingi kom
Go Batscam Kerr 19 years from Umtrew. Go Batscam. Lot of power as he charges down the river. 19 years old from Umtrew village, making a very good start, powering away. Go the cars. Highest Kim Kerber, 16 years old from Umtrew. As he charges down the river. 19 years old from Umtrew village, making a very good start, powering away. From Umtrew, go Batscam. Lot of power as he charges down the river, going for a different line this time. Looks like he's scouted the river down the best line down. From Umtrew, go Batscam. Lot of power as he charges down the river, going for a different line this time. Looks like he's scouted the river.
It's awesome here. I love it. I'm super happy to be in India and it's great.
Yeah, it's my first time too and I'm enjoying it. I'm trying to reach as much people as I can and enjoy as much paddling as possible. I really love it.
Are you competing in which category?
We're competing in the professional category.
Yeah.
So you will be competing with how many participants out here?
We don't know how many they are, but I think there's quite a bit of paddlers, so it will be exciting.
Yeah, it's really nice. The weather is changing a lot during day by day, so we need to adapt every time. The rapid is quite fun, and to put some slalom gates, it makes it even more interesting. And yeah, it's gonna be fun, it's gonna be hard, and it's gonna be like really a good memory when we come back to our country.
What about you?
Yeah, I really like it here. Meghalaya is a really cool place, and I'm really happy and thankful to be here.
I think it's one of the best sports. I really love to enjoy the river and the nature. I think it gives you a view that is not common, and we managed to paddle in places where there are no people. It's just something that you can only reach by kayaking. And I think it's really good to develop something also here in India, so we can meet your athletes around the world in other competitions?
I would say that take care of your rivers because you guys have a paradise, and keep developing the sport and fight for your dreams.
Class level.
So, apart from the
Totally invested in all the kayaks and the gear, but right now, as we have formed a society, we are thinking of investing through the society so that all these years we have trained our local boys free of charge, and but it is not sustainable to do at a personal level. So we believe that through the cooperative society we will be able to give them that facility to train.
Because we don't have the funds to send them to different rivers. It's very costly for the transport and these things. And also, this is a very safe river. Some other rivers are very dangerous, so we have to get more. They have to get more experience first to go on those more difficult rivers.
what is your message to us?
Discipline, consistency and commitment. So that has to be developed. As so far we don't see that kind of motivation because there are other reasons that they are restricted by, because most of them are from villages, they cannot afford this kind.
We have about 18 to 20 different nationalities. We have people from France, we have people in Czechoslovakia, Czech Republic, we have people from New Zealand, people from Mexico, America, from all four corners of the world. A lot of kayakers from India also have come. People have come from Uttarakhand, people have come from Karnataka, people have come from Kerala. So I would say that this is like one of the biggest adventure sports festivals that is happening in India right now, or even Asia, in terms of like the kind of quality of athletes that are there competing at this festival. So, and also for the athletes, they are very happy to be here because Meghalaya has a lot of like amazing rivers from medium rivers to like very hard rivers. So all the international athletes that have come from different places, they are really enjoying being in Meghalaya with the weather. Now it's changing, it's becoming a little bit nicer. And also the flows are pretty strong, and the competition here, people have got a place to stay, and the setting is so beautiful that I think everybody, including the organizers, are having a great time over here.
Regarding the location,
This is, I think, one of the best setups that you can have anywhere in the country. The kind of access that you have to this particular section. This is like about a class 3 to class 4 section, which means it is medium to hard difficulty, and it's a great place to train people. So if you all can maybe set up like a proper kayaking center over here with like access to equipment, because you have the access to the river. If you can coordinate like the schedules with the dam upstream, so there is water like for a couple of hours a day, I think this can be like one of the best centers in this country for the sport, for training of this team.
My name is Yuzil Yangrai. I stay in Shillong Whitewater Village in Umtrew, and I am 11 years old.
so did you experience?
It was good.
Is there any challenges?
Challenges. There was a class 3 rapid at the bottom. So
That's the challenge.
yes,
So,
it was 2 minutes 32 seconds.
okay.
Along with me, 11.
Okay. So you will be learning.
Yes.
What is your message?
Trying and never give up.